Sincerely thank all of you for your show of love to this family, for sacrifices for Papa. He lived and died for a just Nigeria. At a time the scarcity of just men, scarcity of people of integrity, people who will not be compromised, he remained not just committed to justice, to equity, to a better Nigeria, but he remained consistently consistent to the end. That is very rare. And we will continue to use him as our own example in our struggle. All we want is a better Nigeria. All we want is to bequeath our children and grandchildren a better Nigeria. I saw a young girl walking with me this evening. I was asked her, are you tired? She said, not tired. And I have hope in Nigeria. Never be tired, my God. Thank you and God bless all of you.
Thank you very much. Now, please, you just